Jimin is sitting alone in the room. Tay, Jimin, eat something. Jimin, I'm not hungry. Tay, you go and do your dinner. Tay, Jimin, it's almost 6 months. I'm not saying you move on. I'm just saying come out from the room. You leave that house. Jimin, just because of you, he said while looking at him. I know, but Jimin, come out from the room. Please see, there is many person who. Jimin, I don't want anyone. I just want one person more than anything. And you know, whom are we talking about it? Jungkook said you now what she did. Jimin, you also know what she is. You also know he's saying. Stay silent, Jimin. If the whole world come and said me this, I don't believe. Jimin, I don't know why he's saying, but said Jim, tell me the truth. T, you are my best friend. You know everything. Still, you don't tell anything. T, I place the tray on the table. Tay, come in the room. Come in the room. He see Jungkook is talking on the phone with someone. He see. It seems like Tay is waiting for. He cut the call. JK, I will talk with you. I will call you later. And he cut the call. He went to Tay and hold him by his shoulder. Tay take his step back. This is what she is doing from last 6 months. Tay forgot. Sick Jungkook, finish this game. JK, which game? That you are playing. If we at least tell them literally everyone. JK, this is what she wanted, but Jimin don't. He's still waiting for him to come. Jimin, I said him don't. I don't do. Wow, you said, and he listened. You nice joke, huh? You forget me. JK, are you? What are you saying? Now what happened, huh? Think how easily you said him to forget him. It's that much easy. JK, don't talk with me on this topic. They don't. Next day, they serve everyone breakfast. They did and now sit in the living room. Jimin come out from the room just because of Tay. Did smile to see him. Tay, thank you so much. You know, I know you want, said me no. Jimin nodded. Mrs. Jen, Tay, yes, mom, Mrs. Jen, where were you last night? Tay means to look at Jimin, who is training him. Mrs. Jen, you were not in room last night. Where were you? Tay, and actually, I am in my room. He said, and looking down, Mrs. Jen, and may I know the reason why? Tay, nothing, just Mrs. Jen. I ask you something, Tay. We had an so I go in my room, Mrs. Jen. Wow, you have, and you leave the room, Tay. You know you did wrong, Tay. Mom, it's just Mrs. Jen. Because of all this, your leave you. You have live an example. She said while looking at Jimin. Jimin looked at her, Mrs. It's not Jimin for it's Yoongi fault to go fault. Mrs. Jen, you don't know anything today. Jung is not here just because of him. He don't. If he it's about then I am happy he's not here because Jimin is not at all. Mrs. Jen, it's Jungi. All are talking nonsense about him and Jimin stand there silently. He didn't utter a single word. Jimin, Jungkook, come downstairs. JK, what is happening here? Mrs. Jen, oh, you come, come with me. Jimin, JK, where are you both going? To ask from your mother what she said. Mrs. Jen Chiang, now in this tone, you talk about me with Jungkook. You literally, JK, control your and tone also. You just go from here, he said, and he take Jimin with him. Take a look at his mom. JK, mom, what happened? Mrs. Jen, I asked him why he left the room last night, and all this happened. JK, no need to interfere in my matter. Okay, Mrs. Jen, I am your mother. I don't want you also go like Yoongi. Jimin didn't give him anything. JK, you don't think it's their personal matter. I'm saying don't talk about Chungi. Not in good way or nor in also. Understand, Mrs. Jen? You go to your office. JK, I'm so done from you. All it's good he go, he said and left the room. Mrs. Bin, if Yoongi leave Jimin just for this, then I am so happy Jimin deserves someone better. Mrs. Jin, it's about me, you know very well, and I don't think you did. Uh, you did anything wrong. Mrs. Min, so Jimin is also not in fault. Mrs. Jen, he's the one who is in fault. You are just not ready to understand. She said, and go. Mrs. Min San, she turned and see Mrs. Park. She went to Mrs. Park. It's really because Jimin didn't take any step. All this happened, Mrs. Min. No, it's not because Jimin he did nothing. You don't think too much, okay? She nodded and go, Mrs. Min. What I do, Yoongi is my son. Is saying he don't. He don't. JK, what do you mean by you don't find him? Jaxa, we try, but again we can't get his single information. JK, I don't. I want his every information as soon as possible. I'm saying you last time. Jack, sir, I think we should forget the now. JK, are you crazy? It's my brother, and moreover, your boss. No one can take his place. Remember that. No one said this again. Find him again, Jackson. As you said, we find him in whole Korea, but we can't. It's been 6 months. No one know where he go. And JK, I don't said you explain me this. I want to find him in whole Korea. If he's not in Korea, then find him everywhere in the world. I want him back. Jackson and Jack both look stay silent because they know now it's there to speak in front of Jungkook. They nod and bow at him and go. JK sign. He hold his head. JK. They drag Jimin in them. Jimin don't take auntie serious. Jimin, she's right. If I him for once, then he don't leave me. Jimin don't think too much. We all know. Sometimes she behave like this, so don't think too much. Jimin to himself, Jimin, why he do that? What is not in me, huh? Jimin, you are thinking too much. Don't think that much. Nothing happens. And he heard a sobbing voice. I know he do. Then why he leaves me? Why he do this with me? They trying to calm him whenever he sees Jimin like this. He want the whole world, but he can't do anything. He calm him. Jay asleep for sometimes you will feel better. Jimin nodded and Jay lay on the bed. Jay hands is roaming in his hairs and Jimin closed his eyes and fell asleep. Jay signed to see Jimin like this. He leave the room past. It's almost daytime. Yoongi didn't come back. JK, he didn't come back. So we know what he do. Should we go inside? No one go inside. They set the alarm and it's alert now. If you go, then I will. It will be problem. JK, he's not come back yet. What we do? We can't do anything. We just have to wait. JK, wait. You are saying I don't do anything. Only 5 minutes are left. Listen, Jungkook. If we already go from here, then JK means because I don't. Because I think that is JK. What? How you know? I don't know. Suddenly everything become blank. JK, are you sure? I think JK because I don't have any problem with the man inside the mansion. He can handle them, but the guy, I think he's intelligent enough to place the far from him. If the store is still guys Jay is in his room. He is waiting for Jungkook to come. JK, come. JK, where is Jimin? Jay, he is in his room. JK, Jay, listen. Jungkook stop on his way. JK, now what happened? Jay, Jimin is not feeling well. I gave him. JK, then what? JK as well. JK, how can it happen? Jay, that's not matter. How can it happen? Now what we do? JK, we all know about Jungi and Jimin chemistry or not. Jay nodded. JK, how they know? You remember on family dinner, Jimin tell me everything. Jimin mom heard and she tell everyone. JK, oh God, now what we do? JK, does anyone know? Expect us to sign as no. JK, good, don't tell anyone. I'm not, huh? But how can we hide this? JK, I do something. Don't worry, JK. You go and see him. Actually, you both with doctor or not. We don't till now. JK, come with me tomorrow. What you said to everyone. So Mrs. Jen here everything what and Cook is talking. She tell this to everyone and now everyone is in Jimin. Jimin open his eyes. He see everyone expect Cook and Jimin sit on the bed. Jimin, what happened, Mrs. Park? Jimin, tell me everything. Jimin, what mom, Mrs. Jen, you are. Jimin, how you all know now? How you all know, Mrs. Jen? You all believe me now. You all believe me. Where is my? You all believe me now, Mrs. Min. Jimin, what is this? Jimin, auntie, I am. So of course, it's normal to become Mrs. Jen. Or really, after 6 months, when he leaves. You, Jimin, please, auntie, don't mention this again and again, Mrs. Park. Jimin, what is all happening? It doesn't making any logic. Jimin, you all, please leave me alone, Mrs. Jen. I don't him in my house. You all are talking to Yoongi now. See what she did. We don't know. Jimin, it's enough now. Hmm. Why are you silent? And said something. Mrs. Min is silent and cook come. What is happening here? Mrs. Jen, what you thought, Cham? We don't know anything about him. Cook what? Mrs. Jen, that is. Jiang and Jungkook both are shocked. They went to Jimin. JK, how you got to know? Mrs. Jen, I heard your anti conversation. JK, mom, you no need to interfere in this matter. You know nothing. Mrs. Jen, I know everything. You both are trying to help him, but remember, it's not good, and I can't him in my house. JK, don't worry. I don't. Jimin, don't worry. I don't stay here anymore. I am going to my house. It's not. It doesn't mean you said what you want, Mrs. Jen. Oh, I'll leave you because it's enough for Jimin. Jimin, I'm going to my house. I can't stay here anymore. Jika, listen, Jimin. Jimin, what listen, Jungkook? It's enough now. I am going. And Jigo, you all did wrong. You don't know what. You don't know. You can't anyone like this. He gone behind Jimin. Jimin come back to his house. Jimin, listen. JK also come. Jimin is crying. Jimin, Jungkook call him here. Otherwise, I'm saying it's not good. JK, relax, relax. I call him first. Stop crying. Jimin, I don't know anything. Said Jim, come here in 10 minutes. JK, he will come in 5 minutes. You just stay silent. But Jimin is crying continuously. JK, you now come. Jimin is not listening. And he cut the call. JK, leave him. Jin nodded and Jigo. They come out from the after 4 minutes. Jimin about to call Jungkook. He about to call Jungkook. He again call Yoongi. He stand beside the window, but he turn catch him. Almost 10 minutes. Jimin back and look at Yoongi turn. Jimin, you are so bad. Yoongi, now finish this game. I'm so tired. Yoongi, I'm so. You have to all this just because of me. Jimin 6 months. How's Yoongi? Yoongi, okay then. I said Jungkook enter. They also stay here with you. Jimin stays silent. Yoongi, hey Min, speak something. Jimin, you know how much they react. What they said to me. Yoongi, I know everything, but please 2 days. Please, I make everything fine. Jimin, that's why I'm doing all this. Yoongi, Jimin, I know. Jimin, you stay here tonight or you again go. Yoongi, I will stay if you want. If you about to. If you about to because now we can't Yoongi, what regimen? Why would I tell you? Yoongi, Jimin, if you're teasing me, then stop, please. I'm not in mood. Then stop. I'm not in mood. I'm so tired. What I want, Jimin. Oh, really? What about me? I'm also tired, Yoongi. Yeah, I know. Then let's. Jimin, we can't. Yoongi, wait, Jimin. Huh? Don't be irritated. You are going to be. Yoongi, okay. Wait. What you said? Jimin, slow down. Relax. Yoongi, no. What you said? Jimin, you. Jimin, you are saying right. Jimin, not. Jimin, they are saying this, not your. I can't bear now. Come here. Jimin Yoongi feeling bad to hear he's not with him when he wants him the most. Yoongi, I'm not with you when you want me the most. Jimin, it's alright, but Yoongi put his head on it. He hold Jimin hand. Yoongi, Jimin, when I hold Jimin, you will after. Jimin, Yoongi, you don't think it's take too much time, Jimin? It will, Yoongi. It will be so fun. Actually, he sit on the bed. Jimin look at him with confusion. Yoongi lay on the bed. Jimin way. Yoongi do as I said. He lay on the bed. Yoongi cover him with blanket. Yoongi, you sleep now. You need rest. Jimin, I'm totally fine and I want to talk with you. Not sleep, he said with the part. Yoongi, no, you will sleep with after 2 days. You will talk with me after 2 days. Don't worry for now. Sleep. Jimin, promise won't you leave me? Yoongi, I know I used to leave you, Jimin, but I promised today I won't go. Jimin nodded and Yoongi lay on the bed. Um, Yoongi, I know you were so tired, Jimin, but everything become alright. And see everyone, you don't worry. JK sit on the bed and Tay stand in front of him, staring him. JK look at him. JK, what? Why are you looking at me like this? Tay, now you explain me everything or I go. JK, hey, don't go. Okay, come, I will tell you everything. Tay fast. Tay sit in front of JK. Actually, on that day, we become so scared. What happened? We find him on the whole place, but we can't. We become so scared. We thought he lived. We find him 2 days. They left the room in past 6 months ago. Jackie, what I do now? His phone start ringing. Attend the call. Hey, Jungkook. Jackie, you, Yoongi, Yoongi, yeah, it's mean you come back, idiot. Don't even try to find me. Jackie, sign in real life. He heard his voice. Jackie, I do. I find you 2 days, but no use. But no use. So I come back. Where you go, huh? Yoongi, first we win, and second I run from the I hide. You are still thinking I am, and it's true. You have to make everyone believe I. JK, no, no, actually, I said Jimin. He explained everything. JK, are you mad? What he's thinking about me? JK, don't try. He's thinking nothing. He don't believe me. I know. Yoongi, okay, listen. Our next plan for whole world between Yoongis and for our family member. I do what you said to Jimin. JK, wait. How can I handle this, Yoongi? I have to catch. I know all this. JK, then why you said me explain me? JK, I said the matter means what's your oh, we have to steal. To look at him with Dunfist. Just for the you play this game. JK, of course. Of course, I'm so done with your work. You know, because of you, I talk with the tone. Talk with that tone to auntie. Jake, it's alright. She also did wrong. She don't know anything. Jake, yeah, Jungi already catch young. They are taking him Korea. So just 2 days. 2 days, just 2 days. You have finished this game. Otherwise otherwise I don't leave you, JK. Okay, his voice is low. Tay is also so from all this, so they all do drama because young man's keep eyes them on them. Young man's next day, Yoongi open his eyes. He see Jimin is sleeping peacefully. He see Jimin is next day, Yoongi open his eyes. He see Jimin is sleeping peacefully. 3 minutes. Jimin is sleeping peacefully. He smiled to see. He smiled to see. Three. He smiled to see him. He about to get up, but Jimin hold his hand. Jimin, where are you going? It's morning. You also wake up, Jimin. No, let me sleep for more time. Yoongi, you sleep. Here I am. You sleep. I have to go. Jimin, where? You are not going anywhere. Yoongi about to speak, but his phone starts ringing. He attend the call. Jimin look at him. Yoongi, I am coming. You did great job. You take him today. They come here. They also said if Jimin is going, he also come there. He is done from them. Jimin, now what we have to do? Yoongi, you do nothing. I do what I have to. Yoongi went to the chair. A person sit there. He removed the scarf. Yoongi. So finally, I catch him. Jimin look at them and he's old age. Jimin, you take 6 months to catch him. Yoongi, Jimin, you waste your time on this uncle. JK, he's not uncle. You don't know him. Really, him once he won't wake up. Jimin, right? Yoongi, you don't know anything. That's why you are saying this. Jimin went to him. Jimin, trust me. I never someone in my whole life, but because of you, we separated for 6 months. Now give me, the. Jimin, I am by myself. Jimin, no, I do. JK, won't they feel scared? Yoongi, don't know. Jimin, we do together. I'm just kidding. You do. JK, take this. Who are you? I don't know you. Jimin, you both come. We are waiting in the car. They said and go. Yoongi, they are too much. Yoongi, I don't want to give you that much. Huh. Yoongi and Jimin and Tae and Jungkook enter in the house. Mrs. Min, you get, she said and throwing the on Yoongi. Jimin start laughing. Yoongi look at him with done face. JK, you laugh at me now. Yoongi, mom, listen me. Mrs. Min, what listen, huh? You know what I said to Jimin, Mrs. Jan. My baby. Jimin went to Mrs. Jan and she hugged him. Yoongi, you all also know Mrs. Min. I heard and Jimin conversation first day, so we decide to help you all. Mrs. Jan, forgive me, but everything is planned. Jimin, it's okay. I know you do everything for him. Mrs. Jen, yes, JK, why it's becoming so confusing. Mrs. Min, you guys plan everything. I am passing from the room. I heard their conversation, so we thought to pretend like we know nothing and we tell everything. And we tell everything. Last text. Yungi, I know everything, and now I decide something. JK, not only you idiot, Yungi, me and Jungkook both all, mashallah, leave our work. All what, Yungi, we leave our work and just spend a normal life. And Jimin, really, they Nori and Jimin start jumping in happiness. Mrs. Min, Jimin, no, he stop. Yungi, Jimin, are you okay? He nodded. JK, now everything is clear and fine, right? I know it's all drama, but still, sorry for with you and also call you auntie. Mrs. Jen, oh my sweet son, it's alright. I won't mind, okay? Do you forgive me? Mrs. Jen nodded and they become happy. So, JK, so if everything is fine, then let's take me a family photo. Jimin, I take. JK, really watch your height first. Jimin, Yungi, Jungkook, shut up. Take, give me the phone. I take the selfie. And he take the phone, and everyone take their positions. The phone. Hope you all like. If you like, then subscribe and also tell me in comments. Bye bye. Take care of yourself, sir.